बहादुरों का ये शॉट है पृथ्वी पे इजहार करते हुए भारत माता झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा। प्रण करते हैं आजादी की शाम नहीं होने देंगे, वीरों की समाधियों को बदनाम नहीं होने देंगे। जब तक तन में गर्म लहू की एक बूंद भी बाकी है, भारत माता का जल बदनाम नहीं होने देंगे, नीलाम नहीं होने देंगे। वाह भाई रोहित, वाह रे बापू, ये टीम इतिहास के पन्नों पे सुनहरे अक्षरों में चिनी गई।
I've been very graceful of not speaking a word. Things have been very unfair, but I believe that, you know, if I keep working hard, there will be a time where I will be able to, you know, shine and, you know, do what I've always I've done. And I think that sums everything up. You know, it was a dream to win, and especially makes it even more special.
You believed in yourself. Did you believe in the team when they needed 30 from 30? Did you still have that real belief you could do it?
We always believed we can do it. It was just about we execute our plans, stay calm, and, you know, let the pressure come to them. And I mean, credit to Jassi and the fast bowlers, the way they bowled those last 5-4 overs, change everything. And yeah, it was about time to get it.
You're cool and calm and calculated. How were you in that last over?
I mean, I knew pressure's not gonna, if I'm not gonna be calm, it's not gonna help me. So for me, it was simple that I execute my plans and make sure that every ball which I bowl, I commit 100%. So yeah, I mean, I've been in this situation. Yes, I've not won it, but for me, I've always enjoyed pressure situation. All of a sudden, my run of speed increased as well when the time came. So yeah, it's been wonderful. It's been very enjoyed.
Final question. You gave your coach, Rahul Dravid, a big hug. His last day as coach, he is someone that's backed you and the team throughout.
I mean, you know, I'm very happy for him. You know, he's been a wonderful man. Really enjoyed working with him. To give him a farewell like this, where this is how his so far coaching career ends. It's been wonderful. You know, I've had a very good relationship with him. Kind of became friends, and you know, very excited, very happy for him that the way they all are going, all the support staff, they've been very integral on last 3-4 years.
And a big kiss from you.
He's an amazing man. I think he's in India very good in his series, and I think everything and everything was that you can enjoy it.
मारे या कोई मारे ना, यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है, ऐसे है।
Player of the match, Mr. Khalid Zamil, Vice President.
Well, this was my last T20 World Cup, and this is exactly what we wanted to achieve. This is an amazing game. I was telling Rohit today when we went out to bat, I was like, one day you feel like you can't get a run, and then you come out and then things happen. God is great. I bow my head in gratitude. I'm just really grateful I was able to get the job done for the team on the day that it mattered the most.
It was a different Virat Kohli we saw today, the Virat Kohli we've seen all these years. What prompted that change in you?
Well, just the occasion. It was now or never kind of a situation. I knew this is my last T20 game playing for India. It's the last World Cup that I was going to play. So I wanted to make the most of it. And this was our aim. We wanted to win an ICC tournament. We wanted to lift the cup. And as I said, it was the occasion that helped me to put my head down and just respect the situation rather than trying to force things out there and just really play the game that my team wanted me to play.
Have you just made an announcement, Virat, about T20 internationals?
Yes, I have. This was an open secret. It was not something that I was not gonna announce even if we had lost. This was going to be my last T20 World Cup playing for India. It's time for the next generation to take over. 2-year cycle. There's some amazing players playing in India, and they're going to take the team forward in the 2020 format and do wonders as we've seen them do in the IPL. And I have no doubts that they'll keep the flag waving high and, really take this team further from here now.
In 2011, you said it's time to carry someone on the shoulders because he's carried India for so long. Time to carry you on the shoulders maybe for this.
No, I don't think so. I mean, look, it's been a long wait for us, just waiting to win an ICC tournament. And it's not just me alone. You look at someone like Rohit as well. He's played 9 T20 World Cups. This is my 6th. So he deserves it as much as anyone else in the squad. So we're just happy we were able to get the job done. And really, it's hard to explain, the emotions I felt after the game. I knew what kind of mindset I was in. I wasn't very confident in the last few games. I wasn't feeling really good out there. But when God has to bless you with something, He shows you in ways that you can't imagine. That's why I said I'm really grateful and humbled right now when I bow my head.
बात कर रहे हैं, चैंपियनपन की बात कर रहे हैं. मुझे पता है आप इमोशंस को बहुत खूबसूरती से बयां करते हैं. 2011 में एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट 35 की पारी थी, लेकिन आज वही कहा, बड़े खिलाड़ी बड़े रन नहीं ढूंढते, बड़ा मंच ढूंढते हैं. Just take me from the moment you walked in. Just take me through the day.
To be honest, I couldn't have imagined this in my wildest dreams. Also considering how my tournament had gone so far. It's a great lesson for me, really humbled by the game big time. Put my head down and put my ego on the side and say, you're nothing. If you feel like you are everything out there and you can do wonders, you're nothing. You really have to put your head down and respect the situation. And God showed me that if you try to get ahead of yourself, then I will pull you back and I will keep you in your spot. And today it was, I don't know, I just felt different.
Quinton de Kock, Bjorn Fortuyn, Reza Hendricks, Marco Jansen, Heinrich Klaassen, Keshav Maharaj, David Miller, the impressive fast bowler Anrik Nokia and his colleague Kagiso Rabada, Ryan Rickleton, Tabraiz Shamsi, Tristan Stubbs, and last but not by any means least, South Africa's captain, impressive captain who's led so magnificently throughout this tournament, Aiden Markram. Great appreciation for South Africa and the way they've acquitted themselves in this tournament. We will surely see a lot more of South Africa in the knockout and final stages in years to come. Victorious India cricket team to come up and receive their champion medals from Jay Shah, the BCCI Honorary Secretary General and ICC Director. They will be led by Jasprit Bumrah, Yuzvendra Chahal, Shivam Dube, Ravindra Jadeja, Yashasvi Jaiswal, the impressive and great Virat Kohli, Hardik Pandya, Rishabh Pant, Akshar Patel, Sanju Samson, Harshdeep Singh was bowled splendidly all tournament, Mohammad Siraj, Kuldeep Yadav, Surya Kumar Yadav, and then bringing up the back end there is their captain, their leader, Rohit Sharma. Great performance throughout the tournament, India unbeaten. And one would have to say the way that they marched through by some distance, a well-balanced, the most well-balanced, finely groomed and well-led team. The only team to go undefeated in winning a T20 World Cup in the history of the tournament. Round of applause one more time for Rohit Sharma and his men. And now Rohit would make his way
रग रग मचल के बोली टस है ना मसखे की जिद है तो जिद है ठीक घिसना यूं ही पिसना यूं ही पिसना यूं ही बस करिए कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए हाँ कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया 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 यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है ऐसे हैं चाहे वैसे हैं अरे जो भी हैं जैसे हैं खुद पे हमें नाज है जाने ना हमको ये जमाना चाहो तो हमको आजमाना यारबाज हम जानसाज हम बात दिल वाले कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले छू लेते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले हर चीज छीन ले हार से इंडिया वाले दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले कभी चाहे तो हाथों से लेते लकीरें चुरा ओ हमको परवाह नहीं जो भी कहता है कहने दे जग ये भला या बुरा जैसी भी मर्जी हो हमारी करते हैं ऐसी होशियारी पर दिल से यार जो ने पुकार तो जान सार कर डाले कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले छू लेते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले हर चीज छीन ले हार से इंडिया वाले दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले उंगली पे सबको नचा दे हम इंडिया वाले
आँखों की चाबी से थोड़ा बेताबी से चुपके से खोले दिलों के ताले जा देते उसको जहाँ देते अपनी माँ देते जिसकी भी बाहें गले में डाले दुनिया से हमको क्या ले जाना यारों के दिल में हो ठिकाना एक बार होता है प्यार ये लाख बार कहला कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले छू लेते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले हर चीज छीन ले हार से इंडिया वाले दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे उंगली पे सबको नचा दे दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले
This pass says entry goal stadium except Lords. If and when India reaches the final, we shall happily issue it.
कुछ करिए नस नस मेरी खोले हाय कुछ करिए कुछ करिए बस बस बड़ा बोले अब कुछ करिए ओ कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए हाय कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया 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 लड़ती पतंगों में भिड़ती उमंगों में खेलों के मेलों में पल खाती रेलों में गन्नों के मीठे में खद्दर में छींटे में ढूंढो तो मिल जाओगे तब ताबो ईंटों में रंग है समाज निखरे और खुल के आज बिखरे मन जाए ऐसी होली रग रग मचल के बोली टस है ना मस है जी जिद है तो जिद है जी किसना यूं ही पिसना यूं ही पिसना यूं ही बस करिए कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए हाय कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए